you're experiencing audio desync issues in FIFA 24, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. This guide will help you restore proper audio synchronization in the game. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in FIFA 24 are configured correctly. Go to the game's settings menu, navigate to the audio section, and verify that the correct app and device is selected. Adjust the volume levels and ensure that any audio enhancements are turned off. Step 2. Update your game. Make sure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including audio issues. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve audio desync problems. Close FIFA 24 and restart your gaming console or PC. Once your device is back on, relaunch the game and check if the audio is in sync. Step 4. Check your connections. If you're using external speakers or a headset, ensure that all connections are secure. Loose cables can cause audio issues. Try disconnecting and reconnecting your audio devices or test them with another game to see if the problem persists. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider reinstalling FIFA 24. Uninstall the game from your device, then download and install it again. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing audio desync. By following these steps, you should be able to fix audio desync issues in FIFA 24. If problems continue, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.